So we need to solve a triangle where, okay, so if let's just say we've got a triangle here, and our angles are A, B, C, that's a capital C, and our sides, whoops, are A, B, little c. And make sure that when you are labeling these angles on the sides, your capital letters are always your angles, and the side with the corresponding letter should be opposite. So, like I said, we've got A is 63 degrees, B is 33 degrees, and C is 74. So we need to somehow solve this triangle. And how we're going to do that is by using the law of sines. So the law of sines is basically, it's just a proportion. So side A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. So right now we have two angles and a side. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to solve for this angle C. So remember that the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So if we've got 63 plus 33, that's 96 degrees. So 180 minus 96 is 84 degrees. So now we have solved for angle C. So we need to solve for sides A and B. So you want to set up a proportion, and you need to be able to know one side and one corresponding angle. So now we know side C and angle C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 74, which is side C, over sine of 84 equals, let's solve for A. So we'll have A over sine of 63. And now, just like we always do with proportions, we're going to cross multiply, so we'll have 74 times the sine of 63 equals A times the sine of 84. So you're going to divide both sides by sine of 84, and A is going to equal 74 sine of 63 over sine of 84, 84, and plug that into a calculator. And we get that A is approximately 66.298. And now we just have to solve for side B. And you can go ahead and set up that proportion using the side A that you just found, but I always like to stick with the information that I know for sure, because, just in case something with your math went wrong somewhere, it's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm going to set up that proportion with my C information again. So 74 sine of 84 equals, and we're looking for B, and that's going to be over the sine of 33. So again, solving for B, we're going to cross multiply. So we get that B equals 74 sine of 33 over sine of 84. And we're going to plug that into a calculator, and we get approximately 40.525. So there we go. We have solved for all of the missing information in this triangle.